How are you doing? My name is Moran and I work for Acbeyond. Today we're going to talk about the capacitors, okay? We have the round capacitor, cylinder type. Now the oval type, the older one, this one. Okay. And then we have the round type. Okay. Now I'm trying to make this as nice as possible. Okay. This is your run capacitor. Okay. It's oval and it's usually made out of metal. Okay. Those are the times. This is your start capacitor. Okay. They're usually round and it's usually made of plastic. They shoot plastic wire on there anyway. Okay. Now this is for your start winding when you have the what you would call a relay, potential relay. Give it a boost. 75% of the motor starts. Then you have the back EMF and we'll cut the start winding out of its line. But the run capacitor usually stays online. Okay, this is your difference between your capacitors. Now, if you look at one of them is round and black. This plastic pretty much is going to be your start capacitor. Also, the start capacitors, they usually run from 25 microfarads. Okay, or you can put in microfarads. Okay, from microfarad up to up to 1,000 to 1,400 microfarads. Okay, so and then your run capacitor. The run capacitor runs from this is your start, and this is your run. Okay. Run capacitor usually from 1.5 microfarads up to about 100 microfarads. Okay, that's pretty much the difference between your capacitors. Okay, this is usually for single phase equipment. Okay, whether you have a compressor or you have a motor. Okay, that's it pretty much, and that will be for your capacitors. Okay. Give you a thumbs up on YouTube or on Instagram. Thank you. Take care. Bye.